Oliver Sloup is at Blue Line Futures, and he's here with us. And we were just talking before we went on the air how busy that they have been in their office. So, Oliver, when you've been talking to producers, what's been the conversation? What are you telling them?
Well, there's obviously been a lot of fireworks going on and a lot of motion in these markets, and that has propelled us higher. We continue to believe that producers who have unpriced grain need to be proactive at these levels. Sure, we could go higher, but at the end of the day, you're looking at yourself as a business, and these are profitable prices for you, I would hope. So I think protecting yourself and putting a floor in the market is the prudent thing to do. This is a rally that we don't get typically. You have to go back to 2012. So once every 8-9 years you get a rally like this. I think it's better to be proactive than holding out for more here since we've gotten this rally. Now, from the technical side of things, the momentum remains pretty stout, though. There's no denying that. I'm not saying that this market can't continue higher. The path of least resistance has and is still higher. The fact that we had the reversal off yesterday's highs and weren't able to trigger any additional long liquidation is a bullish sign. But again, the volatility has been high. We expect that to continue, and eventually that will come into play on both sides of the market. So it's more about managing your risk on your operation here going forward.
I'm going to ask a really simple question. Is there such thing as too many longs in a market?
Well, there is, because that leaves a big risk of long liquidation. And we've seen that where funds get overextended to one side, it can be a rush to the exit when something changes. And it's only a matter of time before something does change. I'm not saying that that's going to be soon, but eventually all good things do come to an end. And you can pull up past commitment of traders reports and see where we're at now and what's happened the last several times we've been at these levels. And it usually leads to a pretty healthy correction at some point. I know there's some weather concerns in South America and even in the United States as we get a little bit closer and kind of inch towards planting here, or at least planting intentions. So something to keep a very close eye on. But with funds positioned the way they are, yes, there is a pretty big risk of long liquidation if things do start to cool down on the fundamental side of things.